What is up, guys? How's it going? Travis here, back again with another video. Today we are going to be brook trout fishing again in one of the local streams, little creeks here. And you've seen this creek in the channel before. It's actually, I filmed my first ever vlog here, so I haven't been back since. So I'm excited to get into some more brook trout. It's really warm today. It's like 75 and sunny, so I hope that doesn't have an adverse effect on them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's just get into it. All right, just pulling up to the first spot here. Gonna give it a dangle. Like I said in the intro, man, it is hot and sunny. So generally I wouldn't fish for trout on a day like today, but just unfortunately, you know, we're running out of days in the season. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be we're just running out of days, you know. Although I did fish this creek this summer. It was hot and sunny, and I killed them then, so. This looks like a pretty good hole right here. Oh yeah. Come here, baby. Dude, are we gonna do this again? Oh, he grabbed it again. Dude, these fish are nuts, man. Did you see that, guys? Is he gonna grab it a third time? Oh. This fish bit 3 times. Whew, I'm glad I got that. Hopefully I wasn't aimed at the ground the entire time like I was the last time I did one of these. Whew. What a beautiful fish, man. Woo! Let's take a little picture. All right. What a beautiful brook trout. Man, that's an awesome fish. See ya. Yeah, this guy, it's gonna be tough to get this guy out. Oh, I did it. No, 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 no. My net is so small, these fish just fall right through it. Well, he is a beautiful. There we go. Oh my, Jesus. Just get. Well, that didn't just completely ruin that spot. Or that spot. God dang it. Another beautiful brook trout. Golly, look at these fish, man. Look at these beautiful fish. Incredible. Incredible. God. Is that a big dog, huh? get into some more fish. This looks like just the spot. Oh. No. Let's see if he'll grab it. Oh, he took my worm. All right. Well, we know he's down there, so let's see if he'll grab it again. Yeah, he grabbed it again. All right. We're getting into him now, guys. This is pretty sweet. Another beautiful brookie. So cool, man, to know that these fish are born in here. They live their entire lives in just a small little body of water. Look at that fish, man. That's incredible. So beautiful. Let's get the... And there he goes. Back to his log. That's sick. Oh, that just pumps me up. I know I'm not like in a super fiery mood today, but just feels good to be out here catching fish, you know. What else would you want to do on a beautiful September 70-degree day, you know? I know what I'd rather. I know what I would rather. Oh, God. Oh, God. Now we're getting into him. Look at the colors on that guy. Look at the colors. So sweet. But as I was saying, I know there's nothing I would rather do than be doing this. Oh, there's still another hole right there. I don't think I hit that hole. All Oh, this is the biggest fish of the day, guys. Oh, yes. God, I hope I got all that. Whoo, yes. Chilling in that deep hole. Chilling in that deep hole down there. Look at this beautiful brook trout. Oh my goodness. It has just been a day, guys. Look at these fish. I just can't get over how beautiful they are every time I catch them. All right, let's put him right back in his little hole. Yeah, he took right off. He good. Yes. Oh, dude, that's a... Oh, my God. Oh, this is the biggest fish of the day. Oh. Dude, look at this brook trout. I'm crushed, man. I'm absolutely crushed. Absolutely crushed, dude. Dude, he grabbed it again? Wow, these fish are nuts. I didn't think he would grab it after that. Man, dude, this fish is insane. It just... Come here, buddy. Yes! Look at this brook trout. Oh my God. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at this fish. Oh my God. Look at this freaking fish. Oh, holy shit. I'm like shaking. Oh God, it's not even on the camera. Come on, man. Holy shit. Don't get off, don't get off. Dude, look. Are you freaking kidding me? In this little creek? Oh, shit. Well, I know that wasn't a graceful release. I was just trying to make sure I got some good pictures on my phone as well. Holy crap. That's one of the biggest brook trout I've ever caught ever. All right, guys, I think this is going to be the last spot. As much as I would love to fish all day, just not going to be able to do that today, unfortunately. I suppose I could, but it's decent. He's a decent guy. Where you going? Oh, is he? We got another one and done? Looks like it. It's crazy. Earlier they were like 1, 2, 3, hit it 4 times, and then this last two have just been one and done. That's how they usually are, obviously. Yeah, get out of there. Man, I do. I want to keep fishing. Damn it. Two at 3 o'clock, you know, the kids run back and forth between the woods, and it sucks, but I just gotta take off. Ah, it's depressing. It's so nice out. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Man, that was fun. We finally got into some fish, it felt like, and some good ones too. That big one I caught, man, that was so awesome. I know today I didn't have like super high energy and I wasn't, you know, freaking out, but inside I was freaking out. And that fish was so beautiful. I wish I would have got a better release, but he's back in his hole. And yeah, I just want to say thanks again for you guys watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe button, because like I've said before, this is just the beginning of my channel, and I'm already having so much fun doing this, and I just can't wait to see what's the future holds. So thanks again, guys, and until next time, tight lines.